Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the LED dash strip from abstractocean. So let's get on with the unboxing. So this is the box. This is what you see when you open it up. And this is the USB adapter that they give you. That's where everything is going to get connected in the glove box. And in this package, they give you this tool which you can use to push the LED into the crevice or the lip in the dashboard. That's where it's going to sit in. And then this is the power cable. This is going to be connected to the occupancy sensor, and the other end is going to be connected to the light strip. I'm going to set these aside so you can still have a look at them. This is the first package. They also give you this tape. If you've got a 2022 and above Model 3, you do not need this tape, but it's pretty good if you have an older version that does not have that lip where the LED strip is going to go into, and then this comes in handy. I may not need to use this, so I'll just kind of keep it just in case, but good to have. This is the occupancy sensor that they provide. This is a brilliant device. This actually makes it so much more OEM and user-friendly to have. If you step out of the car, you do not need to manually turn the LEDs on or off. I wish I had that for the RPM Tesla LED strip that I had around my armrest, but this is a fantastic device to have. And this is the LED strip in itself. Nice, strong, sturdy. I like the look and feel of it, and you can see the strip right here. That's the LED. So we'll go ahead and install this, and this is the connector that connects to the other piece that I just showed you here. Goes in, and then this other piece, the USB, gets connected to the occupancy sensor, and this is the QR code that you'll need to scan for the application that will control the LED lights. So we go ahead and scan this. Once I do that, it takes us to the download site. We download the application, and then once we do that, we open it up and say yes. And this is what the application looks like. So make sure you've got your Bluetooth on your device. You're in the car. It picks it up automatically. This is what it is. Click on it. Fairly basic. You've got the brightness you can control. You've got your basic colors. You can customize it. I don't intend to play with it a whole lot. These are not really phenomenal apps. They're just basic to just kind of give you another way of controlling the colors. You can turn it on and off from here. And there are basic settings. Let me see if I can. There we go. And you've got your chip settings, timers, buttons. Nothing really great to write home about. So, music. It kind of pulls music from your device, whatever you've got on it. I wish it could speak to YouTube or Spotify or whatever you have, but it doesn't. The voice, I still have to play around with it. I haven't done that, but this is it. So let's get to the install.
I'm sure you don't need to do this before the install, but I just will. To be on the safe side, I'll power the car off. And power off. And I just kind of put the LED strip. I'll show you this again, but it was so easy and so simple to kind of it just goes into this crevice in here, and it's a yes. Even in the, and you can see this, you see that? So it just kind of sits right in here, just kind of shove it in like that, and that's how it just kind of sits in. What I ended up having to do eventually is, so I put this in here because if it's the first time you're trying to open this is going to be kind of tough. So just go up in here and just pull it up. It drops out right there. So route this through here because there's enough space here, so you don't need to even pull it. Since route the wire back through here so it doesn't really show, and then there's this hole right here. You can fish it out. So there you go. Got it in. I'm just gonna pull it out again. It's my non-dominant hand. And then you take the wire that they provided, the cable, connect it. It should be done. All I needed to do is tuck it, move it through here, and enough space to bring it in, down into, there are 2 holes here, and I brought it through the first one, brought it in, and then this opens outwards, so you can just kind of pull it, and this is where I put the wires in. I tucked them all in and routed it out. This is where it's coming out of, as you can see.
This is the occupancy sensor, and this is the female plug. Since I have the RPM Tesla center console light, I powered that, which was initially being powered through the USB. I took that USB power source, I took the wire, I routed it through this side, ran it along the bottom all the way through, and it's pretty easy. You just kind of tuck it in, route it up all the way, and as you can see right here, if the camera can give you the view, this is, and I routed it from here, and I connected it to this USB hub. So you've got 2 of them. So it is powering the abstractocean dashboard light, and then the center console light, and both of these are then connected to the occupancy sensor. That essentially makes it very clean. It makes it look nice. Again, it's not where it's supposed to be, but it's much, much better. So there you have it. That's the install. This is what it looks like at night. I hope you found this helpful. If there is anything that you would like me to show again as to how I opened up the back end of the dashboard, do let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on that. Thank you for watching.